Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this product. Really cute. A little bit different than the other ones in that this doesn't really open up. It's stuck on there and my big fat finger won't fit in there. My pinky does. But this is heavy to hold with my pinky, so my big fat finger is not fitting in there, even if I try to shove it on. But this is what it looks like. It's got glittery fins. Then you turn it on over here. It lights up. Turn off this light here. There's sensors. When you go upside down, it's supposed to do something. I think that was it. I'm not swimming. That's a kiss. So there you go. It's really cute. And this is about 3¼ inches. About 1½ inches. Oh, the tail moves when you do the kiss. There you go. Thanks for watching.